Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. Oh wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Hi, today you are here for a scrolling pattern. What's a scrolling pattern? A scrolling pattern is where the written pattern will scroll across the screen to beautiful music for about 30 seconds. You are allowed to screenshot, you are allowed to pause, do whatever you like to create the pattern along with the scrolling pattern. All I ask is that you do not try to claim it as your own because it took me a long time to make it, and I do consider my patterns my babies. However, I would love if you've made it to absolutely see it. So please join the Facebook group down below or email me or tag me on social media. I would love to see what you made. Today's pattern is the Lovebugs, Ludwig and Lorna. Ludwig and Lorna, oh, their love story is one of the ages. They both went to the ugly bug ball with no one, spotted each other from across a crowded room, locked eyes, and the rest is history. They were made for each other. Well, actually, they were made by me with chenille yarn. But I made them for each other, so that counts. This is Ludwig. Ludwig Lovebug. He is German. Isn't he cute? But they are love bugs, so obviously he's not alone. He has his wife, Lorna. Aren't they cute? These love bugs are perfect for little love baskets or giving to your child because they're so cute. And they're completely safe. There are no safety eyes. Everything is embroidery, so they're safe for kids. But you don't have to give them just to a partner or a child. You can give them to a gal pal. You can give them to a friend. You could give them to a teacher. They're just so cute. I don't know. Don't you think they're fun? So, love bugs. The versatile gift. These are very simple, very easy makes, totally beginner friendly. I have pictures of all the little tricky bits that might confuse you, but if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or email me. So, if you are ready to make Ludwig and Lorna, stay tuned. We interrupt this program to remind you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it, and join our wonderful creative community over here. And don't forget to ring the bell down below so you never miss a video. It helps the channel. Thank you so much. We now return to our regularly scheduled program. you so much for joining me today for the scrolling pattern. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think of the scrolling pattern? Do you like the concept? Let me know down in the comments. Also, if you made this pattern, please tag me on social media. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. I think that's the only ones I'm on. But if you don't have social media, please email me. I would absolutely love to see your little creation. We might even have a slideshow on here. Of course, there's always the option of the private Facebook group, which is really fun. You get all kinds of perks, you get free patterns. They got this pattern a long time before you guys did. Just saying. Joining is a perk. They get to do sneak peeks and they also get to vote. All you have to do to join the private Facebook group is answer 2 questions. What do you like about yarn? And if you're not a yarny person, what do you like that people can do with yarn? And what do I say at the end of every video? I hope you enjoy making Ludwig and Lorna as much as I enjoyed creating them for you. And happy Valentine's Day. So thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.